Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the ABG Interpretation Chart template. What is an ABG Interpretation Chart? An ABG, or Arterial Blood Gas Interpretation Chart, is used to assess and interpret arterial blood gas values. Its analysis provides essential information about a patient's acid-base balance, oxygenation and ventilation status, which helps diagnose and manage various respiratory and metabolic disorders. The ABG Interpretation Chart typically includes reference ranges for parameters such as pH, partial pressure of oxygen, partial pressure of carbon dioxide, bicarbonate, and oxygen saturation. By comparing a patient's ABG values to these reference ranges, healthcare professionals can identify abnormalities and determine any underlying causes for health concerns. The process of interpreting an ABG involves several steps. First, once the ABG values are received, the acid-base status is then assessed by examining the pH value. The pH below the normal range indicates acidosis, while a pH above the normal range suggests alkalosis. Next, the primary disorder is identified by analysing the PaCO2 and HCO3 levels. Respiratory disorders are categorised by changes in PaCO2, whereas metabolic disorders involve changes in HCO3. Finally, the presence of a compensatory mechanism is evaluated to determine if the body is correcting any imbalances. This is in addition to oxygenation and ventilation assessment. All normal ranges are indicated within the chart, so any abnormalities can be detected with ease. An ABG interpretation chart is often integrated into electronic health systems for improved and more accurate treatment. As a result, this is commonly used by doctors of a variety of specialties. Here's how to use an ABG interpretation chart. The first step is to fill in the patient information at the top. You will then need to complete results for all sections by recording numbers and comparing averages to detect the abnormalities, and that's it. To view a sample template of the ABG interpretation chart, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can download and access the chart for free. You can also access the chart through our Carepatron platform. Simply filter by community and assessment and type in the keyword to find the note. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.